This is kind of like a quick and easy snack, more or less. Like I said, I don't have like my biggest meal post-workout, but I do like to have something. So I'll lay this out. So yeah, that should be 1 serving of oats. This is Select Protein for oats. Now, you don't need to use this kind of protein powder, but I like it because it does mix really well. And it's also a whey casein blend. I actually like blended proteins post-workout. According to one of my favorite books on nutrition of all time, The Protein Book by Lyle McDonald, combining casein and whey post-workout may have a benefit compared to consuming either one in isolation. Of course, we're talking about like the tip of the iceberg here, but I'll just kind of mix that together. So I'll stick this in the microwave for a minute. So anyway, here are the total macros for that meal. We've got 34 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, and 25 grams of carbs. And even though I think a lot of people make a big deal out of carbs in the post-workout period, I think they're more important pre-workout, where they're actually gonna fuel training. And where my appetite is a little lower after training, I tend to, like I said earlier, partition more of my carbs toward later meals in the day. So just for simple adherence purposes, I'll have a little bit lower carb intake post-workout. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up this meal and I'll check in with you guys for the next meal. All right guys, it's been a couple hours since my post-workout snack, so I'm gonna have another meal.